Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Wiggins hair. This is the install that I did, y'all. When I tell y'all this hair is top tier, it's really thick, it's very full, and the lace is amazing. The lace is like very thin. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all seen it when I had first installed it and the hair was straight, but this is like, it holds curls very well. Okay y'all, so this is the box that the hair was in thin. First of all, this box is real, like, it's giving, I don't know, but this is the box. Once you open it, inside, this is what the wig came in the bag. It comes with a pair of lashes. I don't know if y'all can see it. It comes with a pair of lashes. This is like the headband, but it's silk. It comes with 2 HD wig caps. And it comes in, like, it comes with this bag. I think this bag is like if you want to give it away, like they gonna know where the hair from, or if you just want to put it in the bag. I don't know. But, and it also came with a lace band. It was used in the video. I don't have it on me right now, but yes. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and let's get into the install. much for watching this video. All the information will be in my description box down below. We are having a sale for Black Friday, so make sure you guys go shop with them like now. Yo, like this, like when I tell y'all, and this minimum shedding, like I've been playing with my hair this whole video, nothing. But yeah, on the pack it says invisible lace, and they ain't never lied. They ain't never lied, baby. It gave scout. But make sure you guys go shop with Wiggins Hair. Their Instagram, their TikTok, their website, all that will be in the description box down below. Bye, y'all.